Welcome to our math review on money. In first grade, our goal is to know the name of each coin as well as the value of those coins and to be able to add coins together. So here we have a poem to help us remember the name and value of the coins. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. So your goal is to make sure you know the name of these coins as well as the value of these, and then to practice adding different amounts of money together. Work hard to get speedy with adding those amounts of money together. I challenge you to see how many different ways you can come up with $1. Find different combinations of coins to equal $1. So you need to know the name and the value and then practice adding those together. Using real coins is a great way to practice, so have fun as you practice improving your coin counting skills.